Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to delete email and restore email in Outlook. So, deleting removes the email from your inbox and it stores them up in your trash. So, if you want to access those emails, you will have to restore them. So, to learn in more details about the delete and restore in Outlook, you can come back here later. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now I am in my Outlook. So now I'm going to go to my inbox. Let's say I want to delete this email. I want to right click on it. Click on delete. So now if I expand my inbox, I will see the trash. So if I go to my trash, now there is the email. So let's say if I want to restore this, I can right click on it and then I will have to go all the way down, or I can do is I can just drag it and just drop it on inbox. So now if I go back to my inbox, now here is the email. So this is how you can simply restore your email. Just simply drag the email and drop it to wherever you want. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have covered how to delete and restore emails in Outlook. Thank you for watching.